one piece of wood and then they've carved out all of that.
Yeah.